Everybody, this is Ryan. So I'm going to give you a before and after of this here module closet. So this is what it looks like now. It's just an empty closet. You can see there, it's a reach-in closet. And just like that, we have it installed. And so it's really easy. Everything is labeled. You have all your nuts, your bolts, the screws. You only need a Phillips screwdriver. That's it. And then you need to be able to screw it into the wall. But everything comes labeled. These are like, it's like A, B, C, D. There's like stickers on there. That installation is going to be taking these, which are locking. You literally just set them in there, line it up, stick it in. And then this, obviously you got to follow instructions. I've just done this a lot of times. These, they tell you exactly what holes to put these in. Use your Phillips screwdriver, or you can use a drill. And this will fit into this. So when you get going, what you do is you construct them, make sure you have your spacing. And then in this particular one, it's 12 inches from the, I believe these are 8-foot ceilings, so you have storage above. Then you have these very tight, very good construction. These would be your hanger racks. This just happens to be the double one. And then when you mount it, you use a stud finder and you measure, you find your stud right there, mark it up, hold it up, drill it in, and you're good to go. Drawers are a solid wood material. Everything's pre-drilled, and you have your full extension rails. Put that together right now. This just happens to be the double drawer setup for what you're about to see. That is going to go here. And so this particular one is the double hanging shelf, and then another double hanging shelf, and this is the tall unit with the optional drawers. And I haven't put these on yet, but they just screw into the back. Full extension. This also comes with it, so if I want to, and it comes with these pins, so I have this whole selection here where I want to go. I can also put additional clothes here, storage there, and then depending on how high you want to go, you can put storage along the top, which is how this is set up. So if you're looking for a do-it-yourself closet system, all you got to do is just measure your space and then pick out kind of the design you want based on what you need, and there you go.